It's almost close the bridge. You can see stunning below. It's so stunning. Okay, almost there. Oh, let's see how high this bridge is. Last time. Wow. This bridge is actually in the historical is a railway bridge. And there is Montour Trail. You can see this bridge is so long and so high. It's one of the attractions in the Montour Trail. You can see this is stunning view of this bridge. Montour Trail and Montour Trails in the historical is a railway, but they are abandoned in the recent history, so they want to convert to trail for hiking and biking. This also preserve lots of environment that make the Steel City more cleaner. In this bridge, you even can see the McDonald's board on my left. But today is slow day, so I may run a bit further. When it comes to snow day, this place is actually very nice. I see they ski loop, even they cross from the bridge. And how is possible? This is Montour Trail in there. Oh, I can't believe today even Montour Trail is full of snow. Montour Trail is paved trail. Montour Trail is full of well, how can I say? It's not like very muggy and it's not like solid as the roadway. Let me take a look. You can see they even got some skiing too. I will continue going. Let's see what's the things last time I didn't know. Because last time I jogging from this bridge, it's not slowing. When I run to in the middle of this bridge, I feel like some fear of height was attacked me. This phobia, but it's not strange. Everybody does. Okay, we're back to the Montour Trail. So this is McDonald's. Another attraction is the McDonald's Bridge. The McDonald's Bridge also is a historical heritage in the South Pittsburgh. This heritage has told us that Pittsburgh is since a steel city, they have lots of railway than it is now. And you can see there besides in McDonald's, but they still have lots of factory. Maybe steel factory in the Pittsburgh is now declined, but the truth is, it still have. So if anyone still in the still working on a factory, you don't have to worry. Pittsburgh unemployed rate is very low. Let me back to the bridge. Oh, finally back. The Montour Trail is not the lonely trail. It has connected to another trail that can direct to the Washington D.C., the capital of the US. Actually, they connect to that trail. It also connects to another trail that's called the Canal Pass. In the Great Allegheny Passage, it's very have same history as the Montour Trail. In the Great Allegheny Passage, even they have more stunning view than Montour Trail. Whatsoever, the outdoor attraction of Pittsburgh is being, in the Pittsburgh attraction, the most well-known Pittsburgh is the Park City, including the trail. You call the Pittsburgh also Trail City. Why? Because in parts of this Steel City, Pittsburgh is full of the railway and the factory. If you talk about there has any passage train through the railway. The truth is, yes, it does in the station square. But if people want to travel to long distance, if that's under the half of the daylight time, they may choose to self-driving car, or if they don't have the self-driving like a private owned car, they prefer to take the coach bus, mega bus, something like that. But with this trail, if you want to stay long, if you want to have some like slow traveling process, you just want to take this trail to travel to the DC. It's a trail to the capital center of the US. I mean, I didn't mean to this trail, but this trail is connected for another trail. So if you want to understanding the history of industry, not just in the Pittsburgh, in the US, or you're understanding the rail trail in the US and how it's abandoned for whatever reason, so please come to the Montour Trail. Especially don't forget to visit this bridge, the McDonald Bridge. Have a nice trip in this winter.